Why, yes, we'll stop by an antique store and take a look. Oh, the bunny's still here. Oh, what are those little things? They're cute, just little heads. $5. Oh, he's actually cast iron. And he is 30. Okay. Oh my gosh. He's adorable. $12.50 on that little green sugared bear. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Thank you. It's a funny little Valentine. Let's see what's in here. It's a little dark. Ornaments. What are those? I don't know if they're old or new. Black kitty cat. We do have some more paper mache bunnies. 18. I like the classic. And they're all 18. Holiday sale. Anything over 25. Is that this too? I don't know. I'll have to look. Oh my goodness. So many things to look at. Kitty cat on a pumpkin. Oh, it's a dark, dreary day. Can you tell? 35. Look at that long-necked ostrich. $50. It's a Joseph. I'm not sure. Look at that Scotty dog. I think it's just wood. As is $2.95. His little eyes were funny looking at each other. Oh wow. Look at all those Bakelite. Necklaces, earrings, bracelets. I don't know much about it. There's some elephant napkin rings back there. Those are pretty cool. The little dog. Well, the one thing gone for sale. That's cool. Oh, very glowy. My cupboard's still here. Y'all, I did that cupboard. That's funny. I could show the whole video of it, and Diane probably remembers giving me it. Oh, I love it. Love it. Every time I see it, it makes my heart happy. I'm always so scared of taxidermy. I don't really care about taxidermy. That scared me. Oh, okay. Let's look at something happy. Let's go. He doesn't have any eyes. Poor guy. I love the thought of old price. I don't know what I would do with it, but it's cool. 5 cents, 10 cents. They must have been something that lifted up. That's interesting. Somebody drilled. Did they cut it and put green knobs on it? Okay. What is? I don't even know what that is. Sometimes you just look and you're like, what is that? It's $30. Coffee filter? Sure. Oh, I see there, that's the price I want to pay. $3.50. I can do $3.50. These would be a type of ironstone in the red pattern. Somebody was looking for butter pats of that with red. I have not run across that yet though. Round of pottery trivet. I don't remember to grab that. Let's see how much this little pie bird is. 18. That's probably about the going rate. 20% off though. It's in great shape. It's pretty. Lots of sales going on. Everybody doing their year-end sales. And that's when you're just like studying. Oh, these are cute. $7.50, no lids. Cute for Easter. I wish they had a lid though, actually. Wow, he's old. He's an oldie, and
I think this is 82.
I think he's a little delicate. Must have been on something, maybe? Huh. It's hard to see him, but it's only 82, but oh, he's delicate. I have this one for sale. How much are they asking? $125. Oh, okay. That's not what I'm asking. Creak. Oh, first place trophy. 100. Oh, it's not even, that's plastic. Those usually sell not that price range. Okay, we have 30 minutes. Go ahead, Chris. We have 30 minutes. We'll see if we find anything. Lower level only. We will see. Hello. Ooh, 20% off.
Okay.
Thank you. This bowl would be 20% off. 20%. So it's 10s would be 8. Okay, that's a good price. I like the outline of the Santa mug. Not my vibe usually, but he's pretty cute. He's cute though. He is cute. He is $2. Do I need him? Is he 20% off? I don't know. I'm always gonna look. You never know where things are hiding or what I need for next year. Any new things here?
That's what I was thinking.
Pie Bird, but he is 39. Salt dips. Sometimes they have glowy jadeite. They have the green or the blue ones though. 125. Ooh, okay. Interesting. That one's interesting because it's squatty. Oh, it's a sewing box. So not pantry sewing, but it's neat that it's squatty like that. $11 on the spools. Oh, that one. Wow, $3.50. Oh, that's cool though. And then the single one is $4.50. Ooh.
You never see a single one.
I guess. Wow. What are these little red? Oh, they're just little candle holders. Those are cool, but that gotta fall in love with them. What's this stuff? Just some garland. $8, so it's sold all separately. $3, except it's missing a lot of its, yeah, what's that called? Paint. So hard to find cheese boxes under $8. These are all $8, but I don't know. I'm gonna pass them in the hopes to find something cheaper than that. Yes, I am cheap. That is a cool coffee tin though. I wonder how much that is. Maxwell House coffee, $50. I've got great taste, that's all I have to say. What is that? Is it a trash bin?
Storage oats bin.
Oats bin. Huh.
120.
It looks like basil. I like that color.
No.
Yep. $3 though, but yeah, but you know. Huh. I've always seen these like in the bunny rabbit. Never seen one in a kitty cat before. Oh, look. That is an odd. It's a candle holder? I don't even know what that is. Those are great decor pieces. $30 a piece. I mean, that just adds some architecture to any of your designs. Wall hanging, sitting on top of a cabinet. They're very cool. What is it? What is it? Vintage electric. Sure, Sam Rooster thingy. Watch it. Huh, interesting. So I probably could have done this quick little haul in the car if it wasn't wrapped. So we were heading back from an auction and we decided to stop in Angola. We literally had 45 minutes and we made it to 2 of the antique stores. So Chris wanted to see if the one antique store that we went into first were still having some 50% off their coins. You know, so he bought 4 coins. These look like they're $50, so 60, 1924, 1889, 1881, and 1900. So they all have silver content in them, and the little star lets you know that they were on sale. So that was our motivation for Chris to stop, because he was like, oh, I wonder if they still have some on sale. Look, I'm like, okay, so I'm like, I'm gonna go tour, see if anybody bought my dresser that I redid. Hey, I still feel complimented that an antique store brought a dresser that I redid and thought it was vintage and real. The only things I got at there is I did pick up for $3.50 that little curry powder, and it was 20% off in that booth. So it's the red and the green. I try to find, like, you know, not when I'm going to make something with it, I don't want to keep, if I can help it, have the same ones over and over again. It's, you know, it's kind of hard because there's only so many spice tins. And then if I can find a cheese box for under $8, that's always good, especially when you want to create with it. So usually you find them anywhere from $14 to $20 to $30. So I usually have to pass them up. So I was happy that that was low and then it was on sale. And then we went down to Then and Now, and we were like, okay, we can just do the middle level, because there's a upstairs and then there's basement level. We're like, we're just going to do the lower level because that's all we have time for. And the only thing I did, because the booth was 20% off, is got this Yellowware little bowl, because I thought any of you might like one of these. I've sold similar ones before, and it does have that nice crackling crazing on it. So it's a beautiful piece, but sometimes you do that quick in, quick out mindset. Just go to the booths that you are, you know. My mindset is I always go to the booths that I always visit, that I purchase things out if I only have like X amount of time. And then I'm always, because I go to so many of the same antique stores over again, I'm always like, hey, that's a new booth. Like, I could notice right off the bat usually if somebody's redone their whole booth or if they have a new vendor in there, which is awesome. And sometimes they're just changing spaces, but they've changed out, so why not go look? So let me know, do you do that? Okay, we got 10 minutes, let's go. Let's just hit the ones that we normally might usually buy stuff out of it. Yeah, there's that. So it wasn't one of those like leisurely browse around kind of times, but I'm glad Chris was up to it with me. So thanks for going in Angola's antique stores with us. Yeah, we drove by the third one that I normally would go in, and it was a little bit before 5 on a Sunday and they had closed. I don't blame them at all. So again, thanks for watching today's video. As always, if you're part of our YouTube family, thank you so much. And if you're new and you're checking out the channel and thrifting and secondhand finds are your jam, please hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we will see you next time, guys, and you can see what we're up to. Bye.